In this video, I will written about how to finish the problem 7 in the homework 7. And first, the problem gives us a zt, and where theta is uniform distributed in 0 to 2 pi, and n1t and n2t are wide sensory. They are all dependent. And the first question, we want to find the mean of tz. So E of tz is so first n1t and n2t is wss. So E of n1t is equals to eta t, eta 1t, and it is equal to eta 1. And the E of n2t is equal to eta 2. So ETG is we put easy this easy into the formulation. So it's equal to E of n1t cosine omega ct plus theta plus n2t sine omega ct plus theta, and we write these two parts separately, and we have this. And then we already know n1t, E of n1t, so we take this out of the quarter, so it's equals to eta 1 E of cosine omega ct plus theta, and eta 2 E of sine omega ct plus theta. And we write this part into the formulation, and for theta is in the range of 0 to 2 pi, so this is equal to eta 1 over 2 pi infinity from 0 to 2 pi cosine omega ct plus theta d theta, and this is the same for sine and cosine in the range of 0 to 2 pi, they are all equals to 0, so this part is equal to 0. And the second question, we want to find RZ T1 T2, and to decide if TZ is WSS. So RZ T1 T2 is equals to E of Z T1 multiplied with Z T2. And also we put the formulation zt into this formulation, and we can have two parts. This part is zt1 and this part is zt2, and then we write these two parts separately. Oh no, we multiply each part. So this part multiply with this part multiply with this part, and then this part multiply with this part multiply with this part. So we can have this formulation, and then we can write something wrong. Okay, here. So n1 t1 and n1 t2 is equals to rn1, and n1 n2 t1 n2 t2 is equals to rn2, and this is equal to eta 1 eta 2 eta 1 eta 2, so we can rewrite the formulation into this. And from the cosine sine, we can have this for formulation: sine x plus sine y is equals to sine multiply cosine, and 2 times, and sine multiply sine 1 is equals to 2 times cosine multiply sine, and cosine plus cosine is equals to 2 of cosine multiplied cosine, and also, so we can rewrite these four parts into this. We need to put these two out of this way, so it's 1/2 and we have this four part here. Then also we will write them into this formulation in 1/2 pi from 0 to 2 pi, and this. So this part is same to this part, and this is equal to 0. So we have 1/2 Rn1 eta plus Rn2 eta cosine omega c eta. So this is equals to RZZ. So dt is wide sensory. And the second question is to find RD0 if dt is WSS. So RD0, we have RD here, so we put eta equals to 0. So we have 1/2 R20 and multiply with 1. So it's equals to 1/2 E of N1 T square and E of N2 T square. So this is the problem 7.